Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. All right, we're still on ratio. Okay, this is another question from the National Common Entrance past questions. All right, the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3. What is the value of the largest angle? So we are looking for the value of the largest angle. We have 1 to 2 to 3. All right, and then without wasting time, we know that this is for the largest angle, right? Because that's the largest ratio there. Now the next thing to do is to find the total ratio, right? Or the total share. So find the total share by adding all the parts of the ratio. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that is 6. Okay, so having this, that's the total number of shares. So that means the angle was shared into 6 places. You have 1 portion for this angle, 2 portions for this, and 3 for this. So the fraction for the largest angle will be 3 out of 6 portions, right? 3 out of 6. Okay, so that's 3 out of 6 of the total angle in the triangle times the total angle in the triangle. And what is the total angle in the triangle? The sum of all the angles in the triangle. That's 180 degrees, right? 180 degrees. So this question is given to you because you're expected to know that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So it's not reflected anywhere in the question because you're expected to have known it. All right, so this we can now evaluate. So this 3/6 of 180 will give us the value of the largest angle. Give us the value of the what? Largest angle. So let's go. 6 can go in 180, right? So 6 in 6 is 1, and 6 in 18 is 3, and 6 in 0, 0. So we have 3 times 30 left. 3 times 30, and that is 90 degrees. All right, so the value of the largest angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so you don't have any business calculating the value of the other angles because this is an exam question. All right, but if it is a practice question and you just want to flex, you want to enjoy your calculations, you can go ahead and calculate for each of them. But in an exam, this exam is just for a few seconds, so you don't have the time to waste. Add all the ratios together to know the number of shares, and then get the fraction of the one you're interested in. So that would be the part of the ratio over the total share. That's 3/6, and of the total value, which is 180 degrees, and that is 90 degrees. Thank you. Bye.